Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by preparing the phone. Do this now. Backup contacts and photos, then enable installation from unknown sources so APKs can run. Make sure battery is above 50% and that you're on a stable Wi-Fi network to avoid data interruptions. Check your Huawei model and MIUI version so you pick a compatible installer package. Once done, confirm at least 2 GB of free storage. This prevents mid-install failures and speeds the next steps. You now install the Google Mobile Services package. Follow the installer's sequence exactly. First, sideload the framework or micro-G file, then the core Google Services APK, the Play Store, and finally Google Play Services. Grant each app the permissions it requests, especially device admin and auto start, because missing permissions break sign-in. Restart the device after core components finish installing so background services register. If an installer asks to restore data, decline, and you finish by signing into the Play Store. Once signed in, update Google Play Services and any installed apps so they run correctly. Make sure background activity and all requested permissions are allowed for Google Apps, then clear caches for Play Services and the Play Store to remove stale data. Reboot one final time to stabilize services. If you hit persistent errors, like sign and loops, reinstall the specific APK that fails first. Only use a factory reset as the final.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.